So we here at GlobalFoundries, and who are you?
My name is Jürgen Hilsberg. I'm one of the European account managers representing GlobalFoundries to a number of our top clients in Europe.
So what is the latest news? What are you talking about here?
The latest news is that GlobalFoundries is just ramping our most advanced technology. It's a 22 nanometer node in our fab in Dresden, so we're producing in Europe advanced technologies for a number of our worldwide clients.
And is the fab business same as before, or a lot of things has changed recently?
Many things have changed. We've been surprised, as many other semiconductor suppliers, by an incredible upturn on demand. So everybody's seen in the news the chip crisis, and we're struggling day in, day out, producing enough wafers for all our customers worldwide.
So you just keep investing tens and tens of billions on new fabs?
To some extent, that it is. We work with our customers and a lot of governments and partners to start building new fabs. We have announced extensions to our fab in Singapore, and we're working through similar projects in both Germany and the US.
And is it possible to explain how GlobalFoundries reaches a market that's different than TSMC and relevant for the embedded world? Is there a lot of bigger nodes, bigger like CPUs for automotive, a lot of different things?
Our strategy, because we are not at the size of TSMC, has been since our new CEO started to develop so-called differentiated technology. So we're focusing on using existing nodes and existing geometries and develop features and capability on those technologies that allow them in a versatile manner of using them in today's cars, home equipment, IoT type applications.
And GlobalFoundries has a long history in Germany with fabs and everything, and universities, a lot of things.
Yeah, it does. GlobalFoundries effectively was founded with the fab in Germany, right? The German fab in Dresden was the carve-out and the beginning of GlobalFoundries in 2009. So yes, there's a long history that already started before GlobalFoundries was founded to work with the ecosystem in Europe.
All right. So do you think the chip shortage is going to be resolved?
It will resolve at some point, but we don't believe in the next 18 or to 24 months. Everybody is investing now, but we see the shortage the high demand and difficulty to supply everybody to the demand levels to last at least through the end of next year.
What's the other news you talk a lot about here?
Can you say again?
What
Sorry.
people come to your booth to discuss?
They want to have, a lot of the aspects circulate around our factories not being in China. That's an important aspect, not in China, not in Taiwan. We have fabricators on all continents, but all are in secure areas. That's a very important topic. The technology I just referenced, 22 nanometer, is a very interesting topic to a lot of the European development community. It differentiates itself by power and performance parameters as it's an SOI-based technology. And obviously future capacity expansion and growth is an important aspect that people come and talk to us.
It's really nice to have a real show again.
It definitely is. I mean, if you're in sales, you rely on interaction with customers, and the restart of customer meetings and interaction with customers, as in shows or in face-to-face meetings, definitely is a rewarding change in the last few months.
Nice. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.
So the video will go right here.